My goodness, here we have Happy Chocolate Surprise with Kinderjoy. Perhaps some robots, or spaceships, or motorcycles. Mom gets the chocolate. That thing again. What's it got, a date? I'll have to figure out what that code means. I always try to save those. And no. Defeated by a Kinderjoy egg. And here we have robots. It is a little bird person. Perhaps I can even make this one here very quickly. It's a Snowman bird device of some sort. And here are our applications. Oh, it's more frozen too. How about that? I guess it's that critter there. And it's more of an art thing. Well, I approve. Looks like the niece is going to clean up for Christmas. You're going to get a couple of these. All right.